Hi, my name is Katia and I'm going to make a smoothie for you today. I like to put vegetables, fruits, and some roots in just because I think that gives it a nice balance. So the things I like to use for my smoothie are spinach because it's greens and it's good for you and it's important to get those in the day, but sometimes we don't actually want to taste them. So in the smoothie I also put bananas as well as a bit of pineapple. I use frozen pineapple, but you can use fresh pineapple if that's available to you. I also like to put in some ginger. I just break off some bits of ginger. You really don't need that much. And then I like to use some lemon, and I like the lemon because it gives it a little bit of tanginess. It goes nicely with the ginger, and both the ginger and the lemon are great for liver and immune support. I put water in my smoothie. You could put milk or any milk alternative that you'd like. So first I'm gonna put in my spinach. I like to put in the ingredients that aren't frozen first into the blender because that makes it blend better. Next thing I put in my smoothie is a banana. My agent, guys. And I don't usually cut it or anything. I just kind of unpeel it and break it apart. Put it in there. Next thing I do is I put my pineapple in. This is about 1.5 cups of pineapple. You can do more or less depending on how sweet or not sweet you want it to be. I just put that in there. And then finally I drop in some pieces of ginger. This is gonna make it really gingery, but I kind of like it like that, so I'm just gonna put both of them in. If you're not a big fan of ginger, I'd say either leave it out or put something else in or put a very small amount in. I squeeze in my lemon. And this is like the ginger too. You can, alter it to your preference, add as much or as little as you'd like. And then my final step is my water. Yep, good. And then it's done. All you have to do is blend it. Okay, so that's enough. And now I'm just going to take it out of the blender and put it in a cup. And that's it, just really easy. It's good, it'll give you a good green mustache. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this super simple and easy recipe. See you soon.